Do you want to transform into a healthier, leaner version of yourself? We all have the potential to become the best versions of ourselves, but sometimes we need a little guidance to set us on the right path. This is not about quick fixes or fad diets. This is about you, your health, and your journey to becoming the best you can be. In today's world, the importance of self-improvement and personal growth cannot be overstated. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and being mentally and physically fit to take on whatever life throws at you. And that's exactly what we're here for today. We're going to provide you with some practical steps, some simple yet effective workout routines, and some deliciously healthy recipes to kickstart your journey. We're going to help you understand the role of nutrition in fitness and how you can use it to your advantage. So, ready to start your journey towards a healthier, leaner you? Great! But first, please remember to like and subscribe so we can continue to provide you with effective tips and strategies. Imagine yourself at the peak of your health. You're not just physically fit, but your mind is sharp and you're brimming with self-confidence. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Being healthy and lean isn't just about looking good in your favorite pair of jeans, though that's certainly a bonus. It's about improving your quality of life. When you're physically fit, your body is more resistant to illness and injury. Your heart is stronger, your bones are more robust, and your muscles are flexible and powerful. But the benefits don't stop at the physical. Regular exercise and a healthy diet can enhance your mental well-being too. Physical activity releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Plus, achieving your fitness goals can boost your self-esteem and confidence. Now that you understand the why, it's time to dive into the how. Starting a workout routine can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to begin with simple exercises that you can do right at home, without the need for expensive equipment or gym memberships. First on the list is the classic squat, a full-body exercise that targets your thighs, hips, and buttocks, as well as your core. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, then lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair. Push back up to the starting position and repeat. Aim for 10 to 15 reps to start, gradually increasing as you grow stronger. Next up are lunges, which work the same muscles as squats, but with an added balance challenge. Stand upright, then step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push back up and repeat with the other leg. Again, aim for 10 to 15 reps on each leg. Push-ups are another great exercise for beginners. They target the chest, shoulders, and triceps along with your core. Start in a high plank position, then lower your body until your chest is almost touching the floor. Push back up to the starting position and repeat. If a standard push-up is too challenging at first, modify it by doing them on your knees or against a wall. Lastly, we have planks, the ultimate core workout. Start in a high plank position, then hold it for as long as you can, aiming for at least 30 seconds. As you get stronger, gradually increase the time. Now, the most important thing about starting any workout routine is consistency. It's better to do a shorter workout regularly than to do a long workout sporadically. The key is gradual progression. As you get stronger and fitter, you'll be able to do more reps, hold your planks longer, and maybe even add new exercises to your routine. Remember, the aim is progress, not perfection. So don't be too hard on yourself if you can't do everything right away. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards becoming a leaner, fitter, and healthier version of yourself. You've heard it before, you are what you eat. And when it comes to fitness, this saying couldn't be more accurate. The food you consume plays a pivotal role in how you feel, perform, and look. So let's break it down. Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine. To keep it running smoothly, you need to supply it with the right kind of fuel. That's where balanced meals come into play. Carbs, proteins, and healthy fats are the three key macronutrients that your body requires. Carbs are your body's primary energy source. Proteins are the building blocks for muscle repair and growth, and healthy fats are essential for nutrient absorption and hormone production. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about when you eat. Timing your meals can significantly impact your energy levels and performance. For instance, starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast can set the tone for a day of sustained energy. Similarly, refueling after a workout with a mix of proteins and carbs can speed up muscle recovery. Next, let's talk about hydration. Water is the unsung hero of fitness nutrition. It aids digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and even helps your muscles work efficiently. So, don't wait until you're thirsty to drink up. Keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day. Now let's touch on what to avoid. Processed foods with their high sugar and sodium content might be convenient, but they can derail your fitness journey faster than you can say junk food. Instead, opt for whole, fresh foods. They're not only better for your waistline, but also for your overall health. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach here. What works for someone else might not work for you. It's about finding a balanced, sustainable eating pattern that suits your lifestyle and fitness goals. So, what does a healthy meal look like? Let's explore. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and here's a simple, nutritious recipe to kickstart your day. Today, we're going to whip up a bowl of power-packed oatmeal, brimming with the goodness of berries and nuts. We'll start with half a cup of oats. Oats are a great source of fiber and can help you feel full and satisfied. Pour the oats into a saucepan, followed by a cup of water or skim milk, depending on your preference. Milk adds a creamy texture and a dash of protein. Now let's turn on the stove and simmer this mixture on low heat. As our oats soften and swell, let's talk about the toppings. I'm sure you've heard the phrase, eat the rainbow. That's exactly what we're going to do with a handful of mixed berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are tiny powerhouses rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Once the oatmeal is thick and creamy, it's time to take it off the heat. Pour it into your favorite breakfast bowl and let's get decorating. Scatter the berries generously over the oatmeal. Their vibrant colors and sweet tart flavors will surely wake up your senses. But we're not done yet. Let's add a crunch with some nuts. Almonds, walnuts, or even a sprinkle of chia seeds. Nuts are packed with heart-healthy fats and protein, and they add a delightful crunch to our soft, creamy oatmeal. And there you have it, a balanced, nutritious breakfast that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. This oatmeal is a fantastic source of fiber from the oats, vitamins from the berries, and protein and healthy fats from the nuts. It's a breakfast that will keep you energized and satisfied until lunch. Remember, a healthy day starts with a healthy breakfast. This recipe is just one example of how you can combine different food groups to create meals that are not only nutritious, but also delicious. Enjoy your power-packed breakfast. Now let's move on to the second recipe. After a long day, you need a dinner that's easy to make and good for your body. Here's a recipe to try. Let's start with the star of our plate, the grilled chicken. It's a great source of lean protein, and grilling it keeps the calorie count low while giving it a fantastic flavor. First, marinate your chicken in your favorite herbs and spices. You could use a simple mix of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a dash of salt and pepper. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes or overnight if you can. Then grill it on medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes each side until the chicken is cooked all the way through. Now let's move on to our side dish, steamed vegetables. They're packed with vitamins and fiber, and steaming them helps retain their nutrients. You can choose any vegetables you like: broccoli, carrots, bell peppers. The list is endless. Just chop them up, pop them in a steamer, and let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're tender but still have some bite. Last but not least, we have quinoa. This little grain is a nutritional powerhouse full of protein, fiber, and various minerals. It's also gluten-free and very filling. Run your quinoa under cold water until the water runs clear. Then combine 1 part quinoa with 2 parts water or broth in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until the quinoa has absorbed all the liquid and is fluffy. And that's all there is to it, folks. A grilled chicken breast, a colorful array of steamed vegetables, and a helping of quinoa. It's a balanced meal that's not only nutritious but also delicious. It's proof that eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or complicated. So the next time you're wondering what to make for dinner, give this recipe a try. It's quick, it's easy, and it's good for you. Well, there you have it. 2 simple, nutritious meals you can use to get started. So remember, transforming your body is a journey, not a destination. We've explored the significance of health and fitness, shared beginner-friendly workout routines, and discussed the critical role nutrition plays. We even cooked up 2 delicious recipes together. But the essence of it all? It's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes wellness, strength, and self-love. It's about making choices that nourish not just your body but also your soul. It's about taking one step at a time because every step counts. Don't be disheartened if progress seems slow. Celebrate the small victories, for they pave the way to larger triumphs. And remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to fitness. Listen to your body, understand its needs, and respond with love and care. So folks, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? The path to becoming a healthier, leaner version of yourself starts right here, right now. You have the power to transform. Start simple. Start empowered. Start today. For more strategies on how to continue to triumph and overcome, be sure to like and subscribe so we can share the journey together.